Benefits of lavender for Alzheimer's and dementia treatment. Today, I would like to introduce another plant-based medication, an herbal remedy, that can be used as a holistic treatment for dementia and Alzheimer's. This medicinal herb has the potential to improve symptoms of dementia, Alzheimer's, and other brain diseases, such as Parkinson's. The healing properties of lavender in various forms, such as lavender dried leaves, pure essential oil which must be free from additives, alcohol, or chemicals, and lavender extract, have been tested many times, with positive results observed in many cases. As a brain-boosting herb, lavender is known for enhancing memory by improving blood circulation throughout the body. This increased circulation supports better brain function, while lavender's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's. Based on the teachings of the successful herbal and temperamental medicine, which I have discussed many times, lavender's properties include stress reduction, improved sleep, enhanced memory, reduced swelling of nervous system tissues, and cleansing of the cerebrospinal fluid. According to the principles of this respected medicinal system, many brain diseases, including dementia, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's, are believed to stem from an imbalance caused by an excess of phlegm, or in other words, the cold and wet temperament in the brain. In addition to overcoming this excessive phlegm, lavender's powerful properties transform it into a brain purifier, effectively clearing the brain of waste materials and pathogenic agents. Alongside discussing the benefits of lavender and its use in holistic temperamental herbal medicine as a remedy for dementia, here I've also incorporated several studies from modern medicine to underscore its powerful effects on brain health and memory function. In an article titled "Lavender as Treatment of Alzheimer's Disease, Literature Review," in the abstract section it is stated, "Lavender is one of these plants and has traditionally been used to treat memory dysfunction. Thus, the present study sought to verify in the literature research using lavandula as a form of treatment for neurodegenerative diseases, especially Alzheimer's disease." The search for the studies took place in January 2020, in the electronic database Web of Science. 42 articles were found, of which 13 adequately met the inclusion criteria. It can be concluded with this review, that both the extract and the essential oil of different lavender species have positive influences on memory formation, as well as on the improvement of cognitive function, especially in patients with Alzheimer's disease. In the results and discussion part of this article, it is said, the study authors observed that all patients showed significant improvement in personal orientation related to cognitive function in GDSSJ and in TDAS after therapy. In particular, patients with Alzheimer's disease showed a significant improvement in total TDAS scores. The results of routine laboratory tests did not show significant changes, suggesting that there were no side effects associated with the use of aromatherapy. Thus, they concluded that aromatherapy, through the use of essential oils of lemon, rosemary, lavender, and orange, is an effective non-pharmacological therapy for the treatment of dementia and can be a strong potential to improve cognitive function, especially in patients with Alzheimer's disease. In an abstract article named "Aqueous Extract of Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, improves the spatial performance of a rat model of Alzheimer's disease," the results are stated as follows. In the second stage of experiment, control and AD rats that received lavender extract administration at different doses spent less time locating the platform, except for the AD rats with 50 mg per kilogram extract treatment, as compared with their counterparts with vehicle treatment respectively. In addition, lavender extract significantly improved the performance of control and AD rats in the probe test, only at the dose of 200 mg per kilogram, as compared with their counterparts with vehicle treatment. In my article, "Healing Power of Lavender as an Herbal Medication for Dementia and Alzheimer's," I have put the link of these 2 articles, plus 4 more articles which you can find its link in the description box. In the ebook, Recipes for the Treatment of Alzheimer's and Dementia, you'll discover over 40 recipes, aimed at improving and preventing Alzheimer's and dementia. The link is provided in the description. You'll also find a link to a comprehensive ebook package on the best herbal medicines, instructions, foods, and recipes for treating Alzheimer's and dementia, in the description. This package includes 5 essential ebooks that provide detailed information on the most effective herbal dementia medications, food combinations, and recipes, as well as useful activities and guidelines. All content is based on holistic, temperamental, and herbal medicinal principles, offering a well-rounded approach to Alzheimer's and dementia treatment.